Okay, this week we're gonna use the square. This is a combination square. It's a 4-piece combination square, and it comes with a regular tri-square part that you can slide on the rod, and it gives you a right angle and a 45-degree angle. Okay. It comes with a centering piece, so that if you slide this one in the rod, you can lay it on a cylinder, and as long as the diameter of the cylinder fits within this this right angle, you can mark the center of the cylinder. Okay, but that's not what we're going to do with it. We're going to use the protractor part of it to determine angles of parts. Okay, now a couple of things. You see the slot in here? Well, inside this, under this screw right here, is a piece that fits in that slot. And as long as this screw is loose, you can slide the rule. Please do not slide it out. It's a little difficult to get it back in. Once you get your length the way you want it, you can tighten the screw down in the middle, and then the rule doesn't slide anymore. Okay, now the angle is locked by these two screws here. These lock the angle that you're at. Okay, and so that sets that. We read this over on this side, and so if we set this at 90 against the 0 index, that means we have a right angle here. Okay, so let's move it to 45. Okay, so I'll move this to 45. Here we have a 45-degree angle. Here we have a 135-degree angle, which is read across the inside of the dial. It's it's pretty simple to use, but you're limited by how far you can go in either direction based on the rule. So we've got a series of blocks that you're going to be checking angles for them, and this is number 1. And so you may have to adjust the length of your square. And what you're doing is you're trying to get it sorted out so that both the base of the square and the rule is fully in contact with the part. And then you can read it against the 0, or if you've got enough hands, you can lock the dial down. And I'm reading this, it's less than 45. I'm not going to tell you the answer to it, since I want you to do it also, but it's less than 45 degrees. Okay, in this angle here. So you're going to do a series of these, and then write the answers in, and you can see if we look at that one, that's not one of the ones you're going to measure, but it's supposed to be 90 degrees. It's reading like 91, or, oh, I was a little bit off there. Yeah, it's not 90 degrees. That's like 92 or so. So that's how the protractor on the square works. But like I said at the beginning, please do not take this out. It becomes difficult to get it back in.